class 6. Hopefully you all will be fine, and this is our mathematics class, and today I am going to explain you the topic solving word problem related to the speed. Alright, but one thing which I am going to explain you here, the topic speed are you seeing in chapter number 7. I am going to just review all the topic which we have covered in this chapter number 7. The first lesson which we have discussed is related to speed formula we have discussed. Speed is equals to distance upon time, I told you, and when if you have to given the distance you have to find out, and you have to given speed and time, then what you will do, you will shift this time to the speed side, and here time is divided. When shifted to the other side it will become multiplied, and speed when you are shifting here it will become down. Okay, then you can easily find out the distance, so it will become speed multiplied by time. This is the distance. And if you want to find out the time, what will you do? You will just shift this time here and speed here, so the formula will become time is equals to distance upon speed. So these three things are related to each other: speed, distance, time. And if you know the one formula, and you can easily find out the next two things if you have to given according to the questions. Alright, this is the lesson number 1. And in lesson number 2 we have done the average speed topic, which is on your page 153 in your book, textbook. We have done related to the question in average speed. I have given you some question in your homework, and I hope you have done these questions by yourself. Alright, and the average speed, the difference only in the formulas of speed and average speed is, in average speed you have to find out the total distance and the total time. Alright, then today I am going to start the lesson number 3, which is the last topic of this chapter number 7, inshallah, and in my next class we will start the next chapter. Alright, so here see the in this problem you have to given the word problem and how you will find out the thing which are you have to find out. In this question number 1c, an aeroplane took 5 whole 1/5 hours to travel from Karachi to Istanbul. On the return journey, the average speed of the aeroplane was faster by 25 km per hour. The distance between Karachi and Istanbul is 3,952 km. Alright, they are showing you in a timeline also. Find the flight time of the return journey. Give your answer to the nearest whole number. So no decimals will come. Alright, if they are talking about you the answer in whole number, so no decimal number will come. Alright, now come to this C. Average speed from Karachi to Istanbul, you know it, the total distance divided by total time. You know this is the total distance which is given to you, 3,952. And then you are going to divide it. How you will divide it? You can convert this 5 5s are 25 and 26 upon 5, and then cut it and divide it. Then the answer will become 760 km per hour. Alright. Then average speed from Istanbul to Karachi. But they are showing you now. They are showing you in the question the when they are returning, the speed is going to faster. That is, it will become faster 25 km per hour. So what you will do, in this speed you will add 760 by 25, so it will become the speed now when they are returning back. So what you will do again, time taken for returning journey, as you know it, the formula you are adjusted according to the questions. So distance divided by speed will become 3,950, because the total distance is same when they are coming from the returning back to there. So say 3,950, you are going to divide it 785, so you get it 5 hours. Alright, in this way if you have to given the question and you are going to find out the thing, so you can easily find out. Alright, now come to the next question, question number 2, which is also very simple and easy. N walked at a speed of 1.5 meter per second from point A to point B. Here they are mentioning the point A and point B. Noora walked from point B to point A. Here Noora is walking from B to A side. Alright. The distance between point A and point B is 70 meter. Whole distance they are giving you 70 meter. Alright. From point A to point B, the whole distance is 70 meter. Now, N and Noora start walking at the same distance. After 5 seconds, Noora walked to distance of 10 meter. How far apart were N and Noora after 5 seconds? Alright. But you will use the formula as you know it. Distance, average speed formula is equals to distance upon time. So what you will do? 1.5 is the speed. See, this is meter per second, so this is the speed. When you multiply speed by time, you are getting the distance. 7.5 meter is the distance. So now what you will do, distance apart from 5 second. 5 second means 70 is the total distance. Now 7.5 you have find it when Noora is going to back, and then minus 10 you will given to you in the question. Noora walked at a distance of 10 meters. So after subtracting, the answer which has come is 52.5 meter apart after 5 seconds. So according to the question, first you will check it which things you have to find out, then you can easily solve it. Alright, and you have to do this question in your book. Now come to the question number 3. This is the last question on page number 159. At 8:15 a.m. Beena starts cycling from her home to school. Alright. Along the way, she passed by the library. The distance between her home and the library was 800 meters. They are showing you in the timeline. Are you seeing? 800 meters is the distance from the home to library. Alright. Then the library and the school was 1180 meter. 1180 meter is the total distance, the meter apart when they are talking about the library to school. Beena average cycling speed from her home to the school was 160 meter per minute. Find the time at which Beena arrived in school. Now at 8:15 a.m. Beena is going to start it to move from home, and first they are showing you the total. What you will do, you will find the total distance, because they are showing you the distance from home to library is 800 meter and the distance from library to school is 1180 meter. What you will do, first you will add these two distance, so you are getting 1980 meter. This is the total distance. Alright. Now the time taken by Beena to cycle from home to school, now you are showing the formula, distance divided by speed, because speed is given to you. The cycling speed of the Beena is 165 meter per minute. Alright. So you will use this speed with the distance, then you get the 12 minute. And this is not the total minute, because you have to find out the time when the Beena just reached to school. Alright. So what you will do in this time, 12 minutes at 8:15 is given to you, na? This is the time. So what you will do, you will add 8:15 with 12 minutes. So you are getting the time which is 8:27 a.m. Alright. So you will write it 8:27. Beena arrived in school 8:27 minutes after 8:15 a.m. Alright. So this is very easy questions, and I hope you understand. You just go through it, the topic which we have covered in chapter number 7. And today is the homework. Now talk about the homework. I am giving you the homework. This is your workbook 6B. And in this workbook you have to do page 45. Review questions are there. The 3 review questions are there which are related to your topics. First one is related to the first lesson, speed. The second one related to the average speed, and third one is also related to average speed. So you have to do these 3 questions by yourself. Inshallah we will meet in next class. Take care.